Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where creativity comes to life. Today, I'm excited to share with you this beautiful paper crafted colorful flower with cascading hearts. This design is perfect for adding a touch of love and vibrance to any occasion. Whether it's a handmade card, a wall decoration, or even a thoughtful gift. As you can see, the flower's petals are a stunning combination of green, pink, and black, with a pop of yellow in the center that ties it all together. The dangling heartstrings beneath added charming and whimsical feel, making this craft truly unique. To make this, all you need are some colorful papers, scissors, glue, and a bit of patience. Start by folding and cutting the petals to create a layered 3D effect. Then attach the dangling hearts to give it that flowing, elegant look. The best part? You can customize it with your favorite colors to match your style or theme. This craft is not only fun to make, but also a wonderful way to express your creativity and spread joy. So why not give it a try? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full tutorial. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.